Welcome back! In this guide, we're taking the Poindeo zoom effect beyond videos. We're going to show you how to turn a static image or PDF into a dynamic presentation, complete with real-time voiceover. This is perfect for training materials, detailed tutorials, and engaging marketing videos. Let's dive in. So, I've already got an image on my timeline, and the canvas is set up. First off, just like videos, you can click anywhere on the canvas to add zoom points. The point panel opens up, where you can add text and adjust the zoom and text settings. Let's take a quick look. You can also drag a zoom point on the canvas to change its position. And of course, you can also select a point on the timeline to bring back the point editing, or just remove it. Okay, next, I'll show you the feature that makes Poindeo shine for explainer videos. When you upload an image or a PDF, narration panel becomes active. It lets you record your voice, webcam, or even a virtual avatar, while simultaneously creating synced zoom animations just by clicking on the canvas. This feature allows you to make detailed product overviews, document reviews, or online lessons. Let's try it. First, I'll clear the zoom points we just made and enter the narration. I'll choose to only record voice for this video. So just enable your microphone and click Start Narrating. After a 3-second countdown, you're live. In this video, I want to share the world map with you. Right here is Indian Ocean. It's bordered by Asia to the north, Africa to the west, and Australia to the east. When you're done, just click End Recording. Let's play to see how that looks. In this video, I want to share the world map with you. Right here is Indian Ocean. It's bordered by Asia to the north, Africa to the west, and Australia to the east. Then you can still change its position on the canvas. Select any point on the timeline to add text or fine-tune the settings, just like we did before. If you want to do over, just go back to Narration and click Restart Narrating. It's simple, right? Just talk and click to create a live presentation. Next, let's look at the cursor panel, which has some unique options for images and PDFs. For example, you can change the cursor shape to an arrow or circle, or upload an image like a logo to guide your audience. And you can still toggle on the draw points option to add numbers. When the narrated video is perfect, you can add background music, generate subtitles, and download it. So that's how you turn a static image into a dynamic, narrated presentation with Poindeo. Feel free to try this out with a PDF page as well. That's it for this guide. Happy creating!